This is Jerry with Jerry's Retirement Wisdom. Come along with us today while we unbox some Jesled LED white strip lights. Let's take a look. First thing we notice is it came in just plain brown box, nothing fancy. The sticker on the side says Jesled part number X00347MLDL, Jesled white LED strip lights. Made in China, which was expected. Flexible LED strip lights, super bright, easy to use, built-in dimmer, perfect for DIY. And they came just in this brown box. Nothing fancy, no extra packaging. First off, you have a 24-volt adapter with cord and plug. We have one roll of LED lighting, 24 volt. Now the second roll, so I'm assuming each one is 16 feet plus. You have a splitter so that you can plug your power source into each strip individually, which I can show you in a moment, or you can chain them together to make one long strip. The kit also comes with alcohol pads because the instructions are going to tell you to wipe the surface with alcohol before you tape the back of the strip down, and some accessories where you can connect your strips together. There's screws and brackets to screw down the strips to hold them down more permanently, and some right angle pieces so that you can turn your tape at a right angle instead of bending it. And we'll look at that. And also your instruction manual comes in the bottom of the box. It's not very extensive. It shows the parts, a little bit about the controller function, which tells you it has an on-off switch and plus and minus so that you can increase the brightness and or decrease the brightness. And then the additional instruction step says that you wipe the surface with alcohol. The back of the tape has an adhesive back. You can also use the screws and clips to fix it more permanently. If it's too long, it shows you how to cut, and you can use a splitter to connect two strips. You can use the 2-pin connector to extend the strip length if you cut it. Okay? So, don't use it outdoors. This particular set is not an indoor set. You can get outdoor sets, but this particular one is just an indoor set. Okay, so to do a little demo, we're going to untwist the twist tie and plug in our adapter. Open one of these strips, and you'll see the adapter just simply plugs in like this, and it lights up. And then you have a plug on the far end, and we can change our, it's dimmable, or we can increase our brightness. Okay, so the option you have here is to hook a second strip. You can get it out of the bag. You can hook a second strip on to go continuously further along, like this. Or we can take this part, hook it to the splitter, and then you can hook each of your light strips together individually. And that way you can go two different directions. For example, two directions from your plug down to a cabinet either way. So that's it. That's our flexible LED strip kit. It is from Jesled, and it's with prime delivery. We got it quickly. Our plan is to use a Amazon smart plug and hook these up for above and below cabinets. Here's how our final project turned out. Alexa, turn on the kitchen. If you liked our video today, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll keep those videos coming. And we'll see you next time.